Okay, welcome to my fun fact number 2 in regards to a housing bubble or a housing crash that's coming. I shared with my video number 1 that 98% of all homeowners have a positive equity position, so that if they wanted to sell their home, they could put a for sale sign in their house and at least break even, if not walk away with a nickel. Versus back in '09, where 26% of all mortgages were in a negative equity position. So, fun fact number 2, there's this belief or this mindset that there's this impending tidal wave of foreclosures and short sales happening due to the lifting of the eviction moratorium. Well, let's take a gander at the data. The first chart here is provided by Black Knight. They're showing the 30 to 60 day delinquency rate for all mortgages, okay? And running at currently at a 3.7% rate. Okay, and it's below what the delinquency factor was pre-pandemic in 2019. So pumping $5 trillion into the economy was actually a good thing, and many of the responsible folks kept current with their mortgages. The second chart is provided by Freddie and Fannie, which are the big mortgage holders. And here they're showing the 90-day and foreclosure rate. And as you can see, it's spiked up in the beginning of COVID, but currently it's running at right around 1% of all mortgages. So from what you can tell from the data, people's delinquencies is at actually a very manageable level. So I hope this helps to kind of understand the possibilities of the probability of an impending housing bubble crash or a housing crash. Anyways, stay tuned for number 3. Thanks for watching.